My name is Macht. I'm the team leader for the Penn State Solar Decathlon team. As you can see behind us, this is our natural fusion home. The idea behind natural fusion is to not only take a home that's solar powered, but to do more with it, to make sure that everything in the home integrates itself into different systems. You don't just have architecture, you don't just have engineering, you have nature, you have the idea that physics exists, there's gravity. We want to try to use all those things to your advantage in creating an energy efficient home, as well as a beautiful home. So that's what we try to do with our plan.
Okay, so what are some of the ways you've done that?
One of our main systems on our home is our green roof integrated photovoltaic system, GRIP-Vs for short. It's never been done before. We're the first to ever do that. The reason is because our solar panels are quite different than ever before. They're cylindrical panels, so it's a SIGS material, so they're basically a big array of a bunch of tubes, kind of like an evacuated tube array would be, but these are for electricity. The great thing about a tube is that no matter where the sun is in the sky, you always have perpendicular direct radiation to the tube. So you're collecting a lot more energy in the morning and evening than a typical solar array would have. So it's kind of inherently self-tracking in its, in the design of the collector. We're also integrating with that with the green roof, like I said. The green roof will help keep them cool and running efficiently. Also, a green roof will stay clean over many years, and it'll provide a consistent reflection up to the solar panels. And that seems sort of counterintuitive at first, reflecting off the green roof up onto the solar panels. But the interesting thing is that the plants absorb a different wavelength of light than the solar panels do, so they don't counteract each other in that way. You still get that good reflection up.
What other materials are you using in the house?
Some of our main materials are the two woods that we have that kind of you can see all around. We have a black locust, which is right here, kind of a natural species from Pennsylvania and around this area. But it's kind of very durable, very hard, lasts forever. They used to make it out of fence posts way long ago. Our other material that we're using is a heat-treated poplar. The cool thing about that is we're taking a simple, easy-to-work with material. It's usually used inside, and by throwing it into a pressure oven, it changes the properties of it slightly to make it mold and decay resistant, so that it will withstand the elements and also add some durability and structural stability to it.
Very cool. And what about what could the average homeowner take away from your house?
Everything. The cool thing about our home is we were trying to make it simple and affordable for everyone. Yeah, we threw in a couple bells and whistles here and there. Wanted to make sure we competed with the rest of the team, showed off a really nice home. But most of the systems in our home, almost every single one of them, is affordable, and we chose it based on cost and payback. Our mechanical system, we have two mini split heat pumps in our house, 26 SEER, so it's almost double Energy Star. The great thing about those is they're only $1,500 a piece, and that's including installation. So we have a $3,000 heating and cooling system that's one of the most efficient on the market. Some of the other schools have multiple heat pumps and multiple storage devices, paying $40 grand or more for their heating and cooling system, where we've got 3, and we have no ductwork running in our home through that system. We also have another system, our energy recovery ventilator. It's the highest efficiency ever created, and it's from an architectural engineering alumni from Penn State. He created a core system that transfers humidity at higher efficiencies than ever done before. It uses salts to absorb the moisture and to release it into the other air stream.
Great, so we could build this in our yard today if we want.
Yeah, the interesting thing is that when you go on our website, there's a section of it called Custom. Under that, we're calling it Get Ready to Own, GROW for short, and you can go and design your own natural fusion home. There's 3 different sizes, 3 different options you can choose from, and then you can go through and pick all the different cladding materials, what kind of countertops you want, how much solar systems you want. Do you want a regular awning? Do you want a solar tracking awning? And you can go through all our different options. And so the prices range from, I think, about $140 for a whole full solar array to about $400 grand. So ours is $300 grand.
Great. And what is your website?
Naturalfusion.org.
Great.